What's the meaning of Cookham? Cookham. Cookham.
Cookham. Cookham. Cookham is a village located in Berkshire, England. The name Cookham is believed to have Anglo-Saxon origins, meaning the village by the river. The River Thames runs through the village, which is known for its picturesque views and traditional English architecture. Cookham has been the subject of several paintings by renowned British artist Sir Stanley Spencer, who lived and worked in the village. Today, Cookham is a popular tourist destination, offering visitors a glimpse into the beauty and history of rural England.